Today we're going to learn the lazy daisy. So each lazy daisy has a pointy end and a round end. And it can also be used to make little daisies. We come up at the pointy end and we're going to go down in the same hole, and then we are going to rock our needle and help it come up on the round end where we want our stitch to end. So right now my thread happens to be on this side of my needle. So I'm going to wrap it from this side to that side. So you see how we've already got our shape right there that we want? And go ahead and pull that through. And now we need to tack this round end by going back through our fabric with a teeny tiny straight stitch. So that is a lazy daisy all on its own. So if we want to pair them together, you can make different looking flowers, whether you put the round end to the inside of the petal or if you put it to the outside. And there's the lazy daisy. Find more embroidery resources at rosannadigs.com.